If you smoke, this easy-to-make recipe will clear your lungs. Your body's respiratory system is extremely damaged and weakened with each puff of smoke you inhale, making it prone to many diseases. So if you've finally decided to quit puffing, you might want to try these recipes to get your lungs and body back to perfect health. This beneficial drink contains many healthy ingredients. Onions are rich in powerful antioxidants and cancer-fighting properties. They effectively inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Ginger has numerous other healthy properties, including the removal of excess mucus, accumulates in the lungs, due to smoking. Ginger will help to clear your lungs thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is a popular Indian spice with gold color and a wide range of health properties. It has been shown to be useful in the treatment of more than 600 health issues. It is also high in vitamins, minerals, and has potent anti-cancer, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic has also been considered by many as being effective in improving asthma and can help to reduce the risk of lung cancer. You will need 1 small piece of ginger root, 2 tablespoons turmeric, 1 liter of water, 400 grams garlic peeled and cut into quarters, 400 grams of sugar, which may be normal, but it is preferably brown sugar. Heat up a pot of water and add your sugar, adding the garlic, ginger and turmeric when it begins to boil. Once properly mixed, put it in containers to cool down in the fridge. Taking 2 tablespoons in the morning and evening on an empty stomach will help bring your respiratory system back to life. Let us know if you have tried this.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos and share with your friends.